Hi, happy Sunday to you. This is May's Design Corner, and today I saw the video that said she wanted to make sheet something on a sheet pan. Well, we had so much this week because we barbecued out and we had a lot, so it's not a lot that I can make because everybody's too full. But I'm gonna make for you what we do with spaghetti. So I'm gonna make a tomato cheese toast. Now I have a vine ripe tomato. This is a farm grown tomato that I got from my friend. I'm gonna slice it. I have some homemade spread, home style spread, and I got that from Aldi's. And I'm gonna put a little bacon bits on it here from Aldi's, and I'm also gonna put my little cheese on it. And then after I do all that, I'm gonna put the oven on broil and let it toast for about 2 to 3 minutes. So the tomato will be kind of bubbly a little bit, and then that's gonna be it for me for this collab. And this collab is quick and easy meals with Deborah Cabassa and the Grace Life DIY Home and Decor. And I thank them for having this every Sunday. It's very good. But this Sunday, we're just so full till we can't too much we can really think about to make right now because somebody has to eat this. And I don't like wasting food. So what I'm going to do is just make this for you. And then I'm going to get back to my guests. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to take this. We're going to take our home style spread and we're going to spread it. And I'm using hamburger buns because that's what we normally use anyway when we're making this tomato cheese toast. We use hamburger buns. Honey, hamburger buns are good for not only just hamburgers, they're good for in toast. You ever toasted a hamburger bun? It is so good, honey. Woo, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. So see, I put my margarine or home style spread on that. Let me cover this back up and move this out of the way. And by the way, if you want to know what I'm using the ballpark hamburger buns. And you know why I use these? Because they're made with a lot of eggs. And if you read the ingredients on the back of these, it's not a whole lot of stuff in these. So that's why I'm using those. And see, you can tell the egg in it because look at the yellowness of it. See how pretty that is? So I'm going to put that back down there. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to slice my tomato. First, I'm going to take the back part off, and it goes in there. And I'm going to slice me. That's one. Two. And I don't like to get the first two slices off of tomatoes. Call me funny if you want to, but that's just the way I am. I'm just so particular about things. So I have to go to the third and fourth slice. So let me wipe my hands. And I did wash my hands before I started. That's a habit that I taught everyone in my kitchen to do. Always wash your hands before you start any kind of cooking preparation, and wash your hands during the preparation as well. Now, what I'm going to do now is just take a little onion powder right here, and I'm going to sprinkle this onion powder on my bun right here. See, usually we eat these with spaghetti. This is what I used to make when we had spaghetti. Now I'm going to take a little garlic powder and going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that garlic and going to put it on here as well. Take this garlic and put it here. Now it's up to you how much garlic you like, but my husband used to be the garlic king. And he used to love, I used to make his toast separate because he wanted a whole bunch of garlic on it. And sometimes I used to get the real garlic and chop it up, but my kids wouldn't eat that chopped up garlic, so I had to kind of cut back on that. So now we're going to take a piece of tomato that I just cut up, and we're going to put it on the bun like this. And we're going to take the other one and put it on the bun like that. And this is what it's going to look like when it gets on the bun, okay? And after we put that on the bun, we're going to take some cheese. This is the cheese right here. You can do a sliced cheese if you want to, but I never liked the sliced cheese on these tomato cheese toast. I want it, and I can use mozzarella cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want, but we usually like this. And then my children like Havarti cheese, Havarti, and my husband did as well. And we like that Vermont white cheese. We used to do that too as well. The kids kind of got away with mozzarella because they said it was too stringy. And you can also put Parmesan, grated Parmesan cheese on here. Oh my word, when you do that, it is really, really good. Grated Parmesan cheese on here. Oh wow, you really have done something really good. Now you put as much cheese and as many varieties as you want on your tomato cheese toast. So this is what I put on here now. And I have my oven already heated to 525. That's on the broiler side. And I'm going to put a little bacon bits on it, okay? I would like again to say the host of the Grace Life DIY Home and Decor and Deborah Cabassa Home Living, and I'd like to thank them so very much for this collab. Y'all don't forget to go on down into the playlist and check this out. And if you notice, I didn't put any salt on that because the cheese and the bacon bits are going to make that a little salty. So I did my cheese, and there's my bacon bits. And this is what it looks like here. Okay, and we serve this with tomato, with spaghetti, baked ziti, twisteroni, and twisteroni is only what I came up with meatballs, your homemade meatballs, and ziti noodles or rotini noodles, and a special sauce, which really I made a cream sauce instead of a tomatoey sauce to eat these with. So I have my oven already on 525, and let me turn you around so you can see my oven. It's on 525 on the broil. So I'm going to stick this under here in my oven for until it gets brown. So just hold on. We're going to just wait right there. And I'm going to put you on hold, and we'll be right back. I had to come back, y'all, and tell y'all about how good God is. Lord, God is so good. He is awesome, awesome, awesome. You know, God is still handing out miracles and blessings every day. Y'all, please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well. And guess what? This is still his world. No matter how bad it looks, this is God's world, and there's nothing anyone can do about it. Don't forget to pray, y'all. Please go down to that playlist and look at these content creators. They're doing everything to please you and to get your attention and to let you know that they love you, and they really do appreciate you for subscribing to their channel. You make their day when you subscribe. And don't forget to give them a thumbs up. You might not like it, but pretend like you like it anyway and give them a thumbs up. It helps their channel so much. Y'all, we're all in this together. We got to learn how to be together and do things together in order to push our brother on forward. Okay, now we're going back on hold because I'm waiting on those sandwiches to toast a little bit. I love you. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Because you know, when you put something under the broiler, it doesn't take long. And just look at that tomato bacon sandwich. Woo! Tomato bacon toast. I'm sorry. That looks so good. And when you serve it, make sure you put it on a dish by itself when you have those spaghetti. I usually have a spaghetti bowl that I usually use with my spaghetti and this tomato toast because it's so good with spaghetti. I thank you so very much for looking at my video, and I hope that you'll make you some tomato bacon toast. It's so good, y'all. This tomato toast is so tomato cheesy bacon toast. Woo! It is so good, and use it with your spaghetti. Don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and always remember that this is God's world, and I love you with a passion. Please now go to that playlist and enjoy. This is May's Design Corner saying, I love you and do. Thank you, Deborah, and thank you, Grace, for having this collab. I do.